Yeah, beach ball. Not the corn.
All right.
There you go.
Birdies to chase.
Come on out here, Katie. Out here, there's a couple.
Might there be a rabbit hole clear out of the plot back here of the trash pile?
Katie, what are you doing? Oh, you gonna follow Grandpa?
We're coming.
We're coming.
We'll get the ball. I'll get your ball. She says, we really should live in a place where there's an outdoor.
I know.
Look at that soccer stuff. There it goes! Go get it! Go get it!
Bring it up to Grandpa.
Better bring that to Grandpa. Or over here. Where are you going? Katie, you know what I'm gonna do? Look at this. Woo! Go get it! Or not.
Of course I'm way back here. Oh.
Huh?
Just think we were taking her places, we could have just done this. So this is the first time it's really open. Nice and dry.
Here goes again. Ooh, I meant to kick that the other way, but the wind took it.
It could be a little bit soggy over there.
Okay, well, we'll work our way back. Hey, Katie. Woo!
Let me kick the ball in your face.
That was an accident.
Kick the ball in Katie's face. Let's go over here a little bit. Come on, baby.
It's hard to kick and not hit her and do video at the same time.
Yeah, come on back over here. Dry a little bit. Woohoo!
You ready?
All right, well, I think we have another 20 minutes ahead of video of that, so we're going to sign off for now.